Okay, if you're struggling on assignment 4B, here's the problems. You got an XY as your answer. Now you have a letter by itself, so box it, circle it, that's your base equation. So write the other equation, 2x plus 2y equals 38. And then the y is the one by itself, so I parenthesize the y, I cross it out, and above the parentheses I put 1x plus 3, because that's what y is equal to. So now we have 2x plus 2 times 1x plus 3 equals 38. So I distribute. So 2 times 1x is 2x, 2 times 3 is 6. Then you got that 2x there you have to add. Now you make your v, that gives you 4x plus 6 equals 38. Minus 6, I get 32. Divided by 4, and 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay. Now we got to solve for y. So y equals 1x plus 3. So x is 8. So we take 1 times 8 plus 3. That's 11. 8, 11. Okay. Next one. That's your base right there. Okay, so write your other one. So y is by itself. And you put 2x plus 3. Okay, now when you're multiplying, you got to be careful. That is a negative 2, so you take negative 2 times 2, and that's negative 4x, and then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, so minus 6, and then I add the 3x. So I make my v. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1x, and I have minus 6 then. So at plus 6, that's 11. So x is negative 11. Okay. Alright, now to solve for y, use one where the equation's by itself. Okay. So x is negative 11. So you take 2 times negative 11 plus 3, and that solves y for you. Okay, I got negative 19. Okay, number 3. This time we do not have a letter by itself, so I use elimination by either adding or subtracting. Now 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 5 is 10, so I can't add, that isn't going to work. Now, can I minus? 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 minus 5 is 0. So we want a minus, because then that can now cross out the y's. Remember, you are minusing, okay? 6 minus 3 is 3, so 3x. 39 minus 27 is 12. Then I divide each side by 3, and x equals 4. Okay, so 4. Okay, now to solve for the y, I'm going to use the top equation, 6x plus 5y equals 39. And x is 4. Okay, so you take 6 times 4, that's 24, and then plus your 5y. You could also write the 5y first, then the 24. It doesn't matter. You need to minus 24. 39 minus 24 is 15. So we have 5 times y equals 15. Then we divide by 5, and that's 3. 4, 3. Okay, number 4. Okay, 5 plus 3 is 8, negative. Okay, so first add them. We know 5 plus 3 isn't going to work. Negative 9 plus 8, not going to work. So now instead of plussing, let's try to minus them. 5 minus 3. Nope. Negative 9 minus 8. Nope. So neither one of those works, so then you have to multiply. So you get a 3, and you're going to times that by 5. That times the top, so I times the rest of this by 3, and the rest of this by 5. So 5x times 3 is 15x. 27y. Negative 43 times 3 is negative 129. It's going to be 15x plus 40y, and 68 times, I'm timesing all these by 5. So 340. Okay, now try the plus or minus thing again. So 15 plus 15, that's not 0. Negative 27 plus 40, that's not 0 either. So the plusing doesn't work, so the minus better work. And it does, because 15 minus 15 is 0. Now I take negative 27 and minus positive 40. Gives me negative 67y. Then I take negative 129. Remember, we are minusing. Minus positive 340. Negative 469. We divide each side by negative 67. So y equals 7. Okay. Okay, now I got to solve for x, so I'm going to use the top equation. So 5x minus 9y equals negative 43. So y is 7. So we got 5x. We have to take negative 9 times 7. That would be negative 63. So I minus 63. Then I add 63. That's 20. Divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, so 4/7.